In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Wrike for the year 2025 using a step-by-step guide that will make managing your projects smoother and more efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to effectively input and manage tasks within Wrike, a powerful project management tool. To kick things off, make sure you've logged into your Wrike account. This is your hub for project management, and accessing it is the first step. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific project, folder, or space where you want to add a new task. This is key because the organizational structure of Wrike allows you to keep everything neatly compartmentalized, making it easy to find and manage later on. With your desired location open, look for the Add Task button and click on it. This is where the magic begins, as you create a space for your task within your workspace. It's designed to be straightforward, making sure you spend less time adding tasks and more time focusing on completing them. Now it's time to name your task. Think of this as giving your task an identity. It should be descriptive enough to understand at a glance. An effective task name can significantly impact how you or your team approach the work. Next, open the Task Details panel. This is your command center for the task you're working on. Within this panel, you can add a detailed description. Whether it's a list of steps, special instructions, or any other pertinent information, this section helps ensure clarity and comprehensiveness. You can also set a due date to help prioritize your workload and avoid last-minute rushes. Assigning your task to team members is another crucial step. Whether the responsibility falls on one person or several, this feature makes delegation clear and straightforward. You can attach important files or relevant links directly to the task, ensuring everyone has easy access to needed resources. Tags and comments are vital for keeping your tasks organized and communicated effectively. Adding subtasks is another excellent feature, allowing you to break down larger tasks into more manageable parts. Prioritization is key, especially when balancing numerous tasks, so don't forget to set the priority and status of your task. This helps in streamlining your workflow and maintaining focus on what needs to be done next. Finally, make sure everything is saved and you can begin tracking the progress of your tasks. This ongoing monitoring helps ensure that things stay on schedule and adjustments can be made if necessary. Wrike also offers insights and analytics to help you refine your project management processes over time. And there you have it, a detailed approach to adding tasks in Wrike. This step-by-step process will surely help streamline your project management tasks and facilitate better productivity.